Sandy, and today I would like to show you our headband 3-play mask machine, and the speed is 60 to 70 pieces per minute. And first of all, I would like to show you the finished mask, and its handband tag. It's very convenient. It's very convenient for some Muslims. I guess some Muslim peoples, they need to wear the handband. It's more convenient for them. And I would like to show the details. And we can see, and if you want to do your logo, we can print any location you want. And this is our welding spot. We can stretch to test whether it's firmly welded. It's very firmly. And the handband and the length of the handband can be customized. It's according to customer needs. And that's all for the mask introduction. Let's go to our mask machine. Okay, first of all, let's check our machine appearance from the whole. And I will start my introduction from this area. And we can see here have 3 rolls of fabric. Each rows have an air shaft. This is for an easy installation and the stable of the fabric. And this part is our corrector. It's meant to adjust the fabric always in the right position, always in the line with this part, to make sure it will not go too left or too right. Each layer of fabric have to use one. So here have 3. And this is the fabric detector sensor, and it can detect the fabric. And this part is our folding part. Oh, I forgot to say this. This is our air shaft control panel. You can adjust this to control the stretch power of the fabric. And this is our folding part. This is the first folding is to make sure the fabric in 3 lines. And this is the second fold, is to make sure the fabric can be folded with clearly 3 layers. And here, transport to here, this part is to make sure the folded fabric will keep it in shape. And this part is our nose bridge part. And we can see the nose bridge is inserted from here. And if you want to customize the length of the nose bridge, you can change the diameter of these 2 reels. And comes to here is our folding, forming, and printing part. This is the mask mode. It can print the logo and the patterns on the mask. We can see here. And if you want to do your logo, you have to change the mask mode. And this is our gap roller. This is another gap roller. And this is our mask body cutter. It's meant to cut the mask in pieces. And here is our special device. It's meant to adjust the mask, make sure it is well prepared for next step of cutting. So most of the machine don't have, and our machine have this. And this handrail is meant to adjust each roller. And this is our control panel and some buttons here. Go to next. This is our speed control motor. It's meant to control the conveyor belt speed. And this is the control panel. It turns on, turn off, and turn on, and the speed adjustment. And here is our yellow welding system. And we can see a special device here. This device is meant to adjust the position of the mask. Once a mask comes here, it will go here. It will go here, and we can see here have two points, here and here. And this part is make sure the mask is these two parts. So this is kind of positioning device of this mask. And let's move forward. We know every welding system has to use servo motors, and our machine as well. And you can see here is the Xinjiang motors, and another side is the same. This motors is used to stretch the ear loop here. Then the ear loop clip will clip the ear loop to that side. And after the ear loop comes to here, and the welding spot will come down to welding. So that means each clip have to use a servo motors, and we can count how many servo motors here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here, and we have another 2 here. And this 2 is different function. This is mainly to drive the clips, the servo motors, to turn left and turn right, turn left and turn right. Since our clip have to turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right. So it's mainly to control the 4 pieces of servo motors. And this part, we can see the below Xinjiang motors, is mainly to drive the welding spot. The welding spot is make sure it can up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's different function. So here we have total use 8 pieces of Xinjiang motors, and actually one more has been used underneath this machine. It's mainly to drive this conveyor belt. And we can see here have 4 stepping motors. These motors is to make sure the position always in the right. And these 2 motors is for put the ear loop. And if you want to adjust the length of the ear loop, you can adjust this part, and also as well as to input some information in system. And this is our touch screen. And this is some buttons for specific function. And here is our conveyor belt. This is our another speed control motors. It's mainly to control this part and this part. And this part is mainly to push the finished mask down. And comes to here, the mask has been finished very well. And I would like to show you our electric box. Whoa, here is very neatly. We can see here have total 9 pieces of Xinjiang motors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5 pieces of stepping motors here. And we can see here have a specific code for the cables. You can easily find the problem when the machine got any problem. And this is our fan. It's ready to cool down the electric box. And this part, we can check our ultrasonic. Here have 2 ultrasonics. It's mainly to drive the welding spot. It's mainly to drive this and this as well. So it's with 20K 2600 watt, and we can, if you want to change to any other brand, we also can do. And here also have one ultrasonic. This ultrasonic is with 15K 2600 watt. It's mainly to drive the mass boot part. And most of our machine. And that's all for our machine introduction. See you next time.